Hi, good morning. Welcome to BBC channel. This is Kumar. Today I would explain circular queue. Circular queue is also linear data structure. It is same as normal queue, but the main advantage of the circular queue avoids the wastage of the space. It means it's a normal queue. You can delete any elements. Again, it cannot use the deleted space. The type of wastage of space reusability is possible on circular. That is the main advantage of the circular queue. How circular queue works? The circular queue works by the process of circular increment. It means when we try to increment any variable and we reach the end of the queue, we start from the beginning from the queue by moduli division with the queue size. It means the circular queue is representing for the circular form or normal way also. In case the in circular queue all the elements are inserted and some of the values are deleted, then the last of the element inserted, then in case the first element is free, that space are reused. That is the main concept. It means 0 at position is the first position, insert, 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 insert. The same way all the elements are inserted. Then in the first position value are removed and second position also removed. Then again the rare is shifted to the next value, that means 0th position. Again it is reusability of the space. That is the main concept. The connecting the last element to the first element, otherwise it is also same way. The circular representation of normal representation. Okay. Queue operations as the follows. There is a normal queue and the circular queue also the mainly two pointers called front and rear. So same as normal queue also using front and rear. Ask to keep the track the first and last element in the queue. Front is representing for the starting of the queue, rear is representing for the end of the queue. When initializing the queue, we set the value front and rear -1. The same as normal queue also, the initially front and rear also say -1. At the same way, circular queue also the same position. Unqueuing an element, it means the insert an element with circular increase the value of rear index. It is also same in normal queue also. In case you can try to insert, increase the rear index and place the new element of the position pointed by the rear. The same way normal array also same. On dequeuing an element, return the value pointed by front and circularly increase front index. Circularly and increase the front index. The same way that is also normal queue. Before enqueue, we check the queue is already full. It is the status of the enqueue. Because of in case queue is full, we cannot insert the element. That's why before inserting, first you can check the queue is full or not. Before dequeuing, we check the queue is empty or not. It means in queue is empty, it means no elements in the queue. We cannot delete the any element. That's why before dequeuing, first check the queue is empty or not. Then you can try to delete. When unqueuing the first element, we set the value front equal to 0 because of if it is the first element, the initial is value is the 0 1. So the first element initially set to the 0. When dequeuing last element, we reset the value front and rear minus 1. In case there are no elements in the queue, in that time, front and rear reset the initial position, that is the minus 1. Because of in the queue is no values, so it means queue is an empty, so front and rear also ne minus 1. But check for the queue is a new additional cases. It means the previous all the conditions in normal queue and circular queue also same. And other than two cases, it is in a only for the circuit implementation. In this, the front equal to 0 and rear equal to size minus 1, it is in a case 1, or front equal to rear plus 1. It means uh, in circular form is a reusable. So in case it is the initial stage, the 0th position, first, second, third and fourth. In case it can delete the element, again it is the using for reusability. It means in this case maybe front value representing for the 2 and rear value is representing for 0. That is the front equal to rear plus 1. The second case happens rear starts from 0 due to circular increment. That is the circular increment. And when its value is just 1 less than the front, the queue is full. It means in case the front value is less than the rear value, it is the queue is. And how to works in diagrammatically representing the initially the entire queue is in empty. It means the front value and rear value is the representing for the minus 1. In this diagram, I am using front the green arrow and red is using for the rear value. The initially the queue is in empty, so is representing for the minus 1. I am trying to the insert one value, first value. So front and rear is running only for the one value, that is the 0th position. Next, I will try to insert another element. So increase the rear position. So again and again, I insert the number of values in this queue. At present, the front is representing the 0 and rear is representing for the fourth indexing. In this queue, it's having a 5 elements. Yes, I try to dequeue. The first two elements are deleted. So the front value is moved to the next position. So at present, the second position are using for the front and rear are using for the fourth position. Again, I try to the insert in circular queue the already previous deleted waste use memory, that is the 0th position and first position. Again it is reusable to NQ, that is the first 0th position is stored in the value. At present the rear value is moved to the 0th position. In this case the front is representing for the second position and rear is representing for the 0th position. There is the reusability of the memo. Again, I will try to insert, that is the first position. In this, the first position is using for the rear and the second position are representing for the second position, that is the front. In case I'm trying to DQ, so remove the third position. It means again it's the front representation is representing for the third position. In case again I'm applying to the DQ, that is the fourth, that is the third indexing value. In case it is representing for, okay. In case I am trying to the insert this already reusable memory, and again the rear is moved to the next position and insert into some value. These two ways the using for the circular cube. Okay, thank you.